Aishwarya, please continue. Okay, Sahana, you talk. Sahana.
Sahana, myself Sahana, I'm from Gangavati, KS Women's College.
Okay. ನಿಮ್ದು ವ್ಯೂಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Girls, I had asked to give your names if you want to speak something. Swati from BD College, Vijayapur. BD Societies Women's College, Vijayapur. Swati. Okay. Anybody else? Akshata from BD College, Usha Rani from BD College. Akshata.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Akshata, you can speak now. Yeah, give your opinion or
Yes,
views.
ma'am.
Yeah, yes, tell me. Very good.
Shall I start?
Yeah, sure. You can start.
My name is Akshata. I am from KSC College. I am learning now BCom first year, and I want to become a CA.
Very
and
good.
This section, this season was very helpful to us. And thank you for teaching us. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Akshata. Who will speak next? Akshata only? Yeah, who will speak next? Okay, shall I call Pallavi? Pallavi Chauhan. Yes, on your video and audio both.
Yes, ma'am, sure. Good morning, everyone. I am Pallavi Chauhan from Srimati Veeramma Gangashri Degree Women's College, Kalburgi. And I would like to thank all the staff members from our college, especially ma'am who conducted this virtual meeting session and called out Sidram sir for giving us knowledge. As ma'am said, he's very busy, but he's taking 1.5 hour class for us only to give us knowledge about the schemes and roles for women entrepreneurship. Also, this subject in second sem is very interesting for all of us. On behalf of all the Veeramma, all the students of our class, all are interested in this session. So I would like to thank all the members and all the students who patiently are listening to this. And it is giving us very brief knowledge about the schemes and roles for women entrepreneurship. And we want, who all wants to become women entrepreneurship, like who all are aiming to do business, for them it's very useful. Even if we are planning to do something, we can get some knowledge from this. And I would like to thank once again to all of them. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pallavi. That was very sweet of you. Anybody else? Gangavati College, Vijayapura College, you have given names. Soumya Bashetti. Anybody who would like to speak, please share your views. Kannada ಒಳಗೆ ಹಿಂದಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೆಂಗನು ನೀವು ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Any language is okay for us. ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋರು share your views, that's all. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಉಷಾರಾಣಿ, ಸೌಮ್ಯ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ, Sumangala, many of you have given your names. Suchitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Usharani, you would like to give your opinion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure. Please on your video also. Video on ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, speak with Sharan. You're from, yeah, introduce yourself.
My name is Ushara Nikot, so from Siddhapur K. BD Society Women's College, Bijapur.
Continue. Any language is okay, Usharani. You can speak in any language.
Okay, ma'am. Some network problem.
Okay, no issue. You're continuing, right?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿನ್ನೆ ವುಮೆನ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರೆನರ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿನ್ನೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿತು ನಮಗೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ ಇತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಮ್ದು. ಹಲೋ.
Yeah, I'm listening. All of us are listening. Please continue.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಹೇಳ್ರಿ. ಹಾ. Yeah, I can understand there are some network issues also. Even today's weather is cloudy. Okay, thank you, Usharani. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Anybody? Hello. Who is that?
I am from A.
Okay.
Patil College, Chikodi.
Very good. Matadri.
Good morning, sweet family. If you educate a man, you educate an individual. If you educate a woman, if you educate a generation.
Yes, very good.
Some people feel that the birth of girl child may lower their status in the society. If you give her chance, she will make you proud with her achievements.
Okay. Very nice.
Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir.
Very nice, Arpita. You have started it very nicely. Yeah, it is true. If you educate a man, what happens? And if you educate yes, tell me.
If you educate a man, you educate also. If you educate a woman, you educate a generation.
Very good. So women play a very, very important role in the society only, I can say. Thank you so much, Arpita. Wish to see you all offline.
Yes.
Let this pandemic be over very soon so that each of us, let us intermingle, have a inter-college seminars which are offline. Okay. Yes.
Last
anybody?
line say.
Yeah. Say. Continue.
7 ಸಾರಿ ಬೀಳು 8ನೇ ಸಾರಿ ಖಂಡಿತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೀಯ.
Yes. Of course.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಹುಡುಗಿಯರಿಗೆ.
Very good. Very nice, Arpita. ಎಷ್ಟು ಸರಿ ಬಿದ್ದರೂ ಅಂಜಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನಾನ್ ಬೀಳಿಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂಜ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಮನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಶೋರ್ಲಿ ಗೆಟ್. ನಿಮ್ದೊಂದು ವಿಷನ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು, ನಿಮಗದು ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಂಟರ್ಪ್ರಿನರ್, you want to do a business, you want to do a job, you want to achieve something. Most important is that passion you should have, and nextly that fire, the fire in the belly. These are very, very important parts what you need to succeed. Not only success is important, a more satisfied success is also very important. You should be a very satisfied person in your life. That's also very important. Nimge ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟನೋ, what you want to do, fix it and move towards that. Yes, anybody else? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಅಕ್ಷತಾ,
we are definitely do it.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. Anybody else? Sumangala, Lakshmi, Soumya, Swati, who all did not speak? Anybody from any other college? ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರಿಲ್ಲ, no problem. ನೀವು ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, you can talk. Anybody, any from any other college? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಚಿಕ್ಕೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರದವ್ರು ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, Ballari college is there, Raichur college is there, Godutai college, government college. Anybody? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, just you can unmute yourself and you can tell me. I will allow you to speak. Anybody else from VG Women's College? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Anybody from?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am,
Usha.
I want to share with me my opinion.
Yes. Share. Tell me.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ವುಮೆನ್ ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಾರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೀ, ಈಗ ಹುಲಿಗಿಂತ ಜಿಂಕೆಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಓಟದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರತ್ರಿ. ಹುಲಿಗಿಂತ ಜಿಂಕೆಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರತ್ರಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಹುಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ತಿನ್ನಂತ ಅಂತ ಅದು ಭಯ ಪಡ್ತಿರ್ತದ್ರಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಅದು ಬಲಿ ಆಗ್ತದ.
Yes.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, all girls you will reach.
Good, very good. Anybody else? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ? ಹೆಂಗ್ನು ನಿಮ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದ್ ಫಾರ್ಮಾಲಿಟಿನಾಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಓಪನ್ ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಕ್. ಒನ್ ವೇ ಆದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೋತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯೂಶುವಲಿ ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ಸ್, ವೆಬಿನಾರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೋತ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ನಿಮಗ್ ಬೋರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್. Anybody else? Yeah, sure. Yes. Who is it?
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ವುಮೆನ್ ಅನಕ್ಷರಸ್ಥರು ಇರೋದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗಿರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಹೌದು.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಡ್.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you. Continue, Usha Rani.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅನಕ್ಷರಸ್ಥರು ಇರೋದು ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹಳ್ಳಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Okay, very good. Thank you. So now I just want all the students who are present today, please give your name, college name in short, chat olaga hakri. Nim hesru, college name immediately. All the students who are attending the session today, the students who are attending today, please type your name, college name in the chat box. I'll just give you 2 or 3 minutes for that. Yeah, I'm getting messages. Please put it on your chat box. Whoever is present today. Yesterday I had many participants. Today they have reduced. The students who have attended both the sessions only will get the certificates, and those who pass in their test, I have fixed it as 75%, and those who pass with 75% will be getting the certificates. You should be fair enough to yourself. ಬರೀ ಸರ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಟ್ ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. whatever it is for your knowledge sake. ನೀವು ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಗೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ we conduct all these things. So respect your teachers who have asked you to attend this, and don't just log for certificates. You have to gain it. ತಗೋಬೇಕನ್ನೋದಿರಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಗಳಿಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕನ್ನೋದಿರ್ಬೇಕು. So only the students who are present today, I still have it in my I will have the participant list I'll get it as a report. Still, I want to know from which college you have attended. ಚಿಕ್ಕೋಡಿಯದವ್ರು ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Anyone from Chikkodi College who wants to speak, share your opinions. Sidram sir, let me know when you joined, when you are ready. And moreover, girls, on 1st July, I'm hosting another webinar. It's on public speaking. Public speaking, it's an art. So any student, bare commerce dawre antalla, this is general topic. This is for everyone. Anybody who is interested can join. The speaker is we have a very eminent speaker over there, Shri Narendra Bhatsheshi sir. So anyone who is interested can join. I'll be sending you the invitation to your college principals and lecturers. If you are interested, surely you can join. It's for students only. Public speaking. It's also a part of syllabus that you'll be studying in your business communication. And not only that, public speaking is a very, very important topic which every one of us should know what it is. Everybody, when we wants to speak, when there is a stage, when you see the mic, you fear. That fear has to go off. What are the techniques, how we need to speak? Language itself is not a problem over there. It's our confidence, the knowledge which brings us the confidence. So that's a very, very beautiful webinar which will be organized on 1st of July at 11 o'clock. I'll be sharing you the link as well as the invitation. You can also register for that. There's a WhatsApp group, you can join there so that there won't be any problem for joining. The link will be sent over there immediately. Yeah, I still need to get many students. Please type your name, college name also immediately. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. So that's what I'm telling you, public speaking is for you students. ಯಾವ ತರ ನೀವು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಜನಗೆ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಫಿಯರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. So by that particular webinar, you'll overcome with your stage fear. And again, on 3rd also, we have one more webinar, which is on women entrepreneurship of Kalyana Karnataka. It's a very big event. Anybody who is interested, let me know so that you can join that. Very eminent entrepreneurs are coming on that day. It's Uma Reddy and Apurva Bajaj. They are very good entrepreneurs. I still need students. Please enter your name and college name. Still, I have received very few, only 90 I have received. Otherwise, it won't be considered. I'm telling you very frankly. Later on, don't bother me for the certificates. I welcome the chief guest, the resource person, the speaker of today's session again, Shri Sidram Sangolgi sir. Welcome you, sir. Till now we had an interaction session with all the students. Some of the students shared their opinions. So, sir, you can continue. Sidram sir.
Just a minute. I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah, sure.
So, is my voice audible, ma'am?
Yeah, it's audible.
Good morning, students, and other faculty members also. So yesterday we have seen a lot of different, schemes and institutional support, to promote women entrepreneurship, especially in India. Okay, so we were left out with a few more slides. So we will continue with those slides today because we were all tired and we were all hungry yesterday. So we could not continue it for another half an hour. So today we will continue it for another half an hour and we will complete those things. Okay, friends? Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So yesterday, what are the different schemes that we have seen? At least let's not go to details of the schemes, but can you name some of the schemes that we have seen yesterday? We have seen a trade scheme. We have seen about Awake scheme, right? We have seen about Mahila Udyam Nidhi scheme, Annapurna scheme, then Bharatiya Mehla Bank scheme, Dena Shakti scheme, Udyogini scheme, then Saint Kalyani scheme, Mahila Udyam Nidhi scheme. So Mudra Yojana scheme, the important one. So all these things we have seen yesterday, right? So today I will see like what are the okay. So friends, straight away we will start with some of the boards, okay, some of the societies that are majorly working for the development of women entrepreneurship in India. Okay, so in India there are a number of institutions established for the development of women entrepreneurship. So as you can see on this slide, there is a National Institute for Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development. Okay, in short, we will be calling it as NIE. SB, working under the Ministry of central government. Okay, so then we have Entrepreneurship Development Institute of India. Okay, we call it as EDII. Then we have National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development, NABARD. Everyone is familiar about NABARD, right? So it is giving a lot of funds across a lot of sectors. Okay. Then we have Federation of Indian Women Entrepreneur. Okay, we call it as FASM. Okay, it is nothing but Federation of Indian Women Entrepreneur. Then we have World Assembly of Small and Medium Entrepreneur. It is nothing but WASM. Okay. Then we have District Financial Institutions, DFIs. We call them as DFIs, District Financial Institutions. Okay. Then we have, Small Industries Development Bank of India. We have Small Industries Development Bank of India. We call it as SIDBI. Okay. So SIDBI and Karnataka State Financial Corporation, okay, have together launched many programs for the growth of women entrepreneurship in Karnataka to motivate them in establishing new enterprises and to upgrade and develop the existing ones. Okay, in Karnataka, a key role is played by SIDBI FC. So why I'm giving you list of all these things. Once our session is completed, you can go to the Google page and you can just Google all these things. I will get the details about all these things. Okay, because in 1 or 2 days session, it's highly impossible to cover all the schemes that are available for the support of women entrepreneurship. Okay, so once the session is completed, your assignment will be, okay, you have to go to all these sites. You have to visit all the sites that I have listed here. Okay, and you can collect the information, what support they are providing, for the development of women entrepreneurship. So in Karnataka, the responsibility of women entrepreneurial development has been taken up by the Department of Industries and Commerce. Okay, so in Karnataka, the responsibility of women entrepreneurial development has been taken up by Department of Industries and Commerce, and under Department of Industries and Commerce, we are, okay, so they will be supporting women entrepreneurship. The first one that I listed here is District Industries Center. Okay, in Gulbarga, we will be having the DIC office. You can search its address in the Google and you can visit this office and you can inquire about different schemes that are available to support women entrepreneurship. Okay. Second one is TechSoc. We call it as TechSoc. It is nothing but Technical Consultancy Service Organization of Karnataka. Technical Consultancy Service Organization of Karnataka. So if you want to, okay, begin with your startup venture in a technical field, in technical field, you can approach TechSoc. Okay. Then we have Karnataka Small Scale Industries Development Corporation. Okay, we call it as KSSIDC. We call it as KSSIDC. Then we have Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board. Karnataka Industrial Area Development Board, that is KIADB. Okay, here also we have a lot of schemes that are available for development of women entrepreneurship. Then we have Karnataka State Finance Corporation, okay, Center for Entrepreneurship Development of Karnataka. Okay. After that, we have Karnataka State Women Development Corporation, KSWDC. Okay. So after my session, go to each of these. Okay. In the previous slide, what organizations I have shown you, they are all organizations of central government, or they are across India, these organizations. In the next slide, in the current slide, what I am showing, these are specifically in the Karnataka region, in our Karnataka state. Then we have Idea to POC fund for women entrepreneurship in Karnataka. Okay, so Idea to POC fund. Idea to POC scheme is being implemented through the startup cell of the Department of Electronics, IT, BT and SNT. Government of Karnataka for women entrepreneurs. The Information Technology Department of Karnataka government has announced a fund of rupees 10 crores for this scheme. Every year 10 crores will be reserved for this Idea to POC fund. inculcating entrepreneurship skills among women and providing an opportunity to shape up their ideas into workable models of business is the main motto of this scheme. This scheme enhances the confidence level of women entrepreneurs to face society while achieving their target. Okay, this is about idea to POC overview of an idea to POC fund. Now let's go to see what is the objective of this idea to POC fund. This scheme is launched by the Karnataka government to provide an early stage funding to ideas or concepts to establish the proof of concept of the women technocrats. Remember, the idea to POC is not only for women technocrats, it is also for male participants also. Okay, male aspirants also. It's not like it is purely for women, but women also have got a good chance, to pitch their ideas, to propose their ideas, and get a fund to convert their ideas to proof of concept. It is an initiative launched to encourage women entrepreneurship in the state, mainly in the IT and BT sector. Okay, those who want to establish, those who have got ideas, okay, in the IT and BT sector, and they want to get the government support, okay, to start up their venture. So idea to POC fund will be the best option for the students. As per the scheme eligibility criteria, a woman entrepreneur will get up to rupees 50 lakhs to set up a venture. Okay, it's not a small amount, friends. 50 lakhs is not a small amount. So as per the eligibility criteria, every startup or the registered entity will be getting 50 lakhs to set up their venture. Along with the funding for a woman entrepreneur who is willing to start a business in the information technology sector, the scheme will also extend legal and mentoring support. Not that only they will give 50 lakhs and they will wash their hands. It's not like that. So they will be extending their support, to provide even legal and mentoring support to you people, because at the early stage of your startup, handholding is very much essential. Okay, there will be a lot of experts from the department, outside the department. We will be having our own mentoring pool. From those mentoring pool, okay, from that mentoring pool, different mentors will be available, okay, to guide you, to handhold you. By Department of Electronics, IT, BT and SNT, Government of Karnataka. So we will use that fund for the. So what makes this fund unique? It is in the form of grant, not in the form of loan. Okay, the fund will be released in installments in 2 years. Okay, application will be invited every year for the beneficiaries under this scheme. So you have to go to Electronics, IT, BT and SNT department, Government of Karnataka's portal, and you can get the details, and application also you can application link also you can find it there itself. Application link also you can find it there itself. So as per the scheme notification, only those startups which fulfill the eligibility criteria under the state startup policy are eligible to apply. Okay. So you have to see. So whenever you are applying for any government fund, so what are the minimum requirements you have to fulfill? What are the minimum requirements you have to fulfill? You have to check those requirements, and only people, okay, meeting those criteria will be, allowed to apply under this particular scheme, under this idea to POC fund. Either you have to be registered as, partnership firm, or you have to register it as a society, or you have to register it as a, a limited liability partnership firm. So, or it should be private limited company. So any of these entities, can apply for this particular scheme. Remember, friends, under this scheme, the winner, you will be having 3 different rounds. You will be having 3 different rounds. So ultimately, the winner will be getting 50 lakhs support fund from the government. What, friends? Idea to POC fund. Then one more important thing that we have missed yesterday is nothing but the Women Entrepreneurship Platform, WEP, what we call it as the Women Entrepreneurship Platform. Niti Aayog has launched a Women Entrepreneurship Platform for providing an ecosystem for budding and existing women entrepreneurs across the country. Okay. So Niti Aayog, it is the Aayog created by central government, and it looks after various schemes. It will create the draft plan. Niti Aayog will create the draft plan on behalf of central government, okay, to provide various schemes in various sectors again. Okay. So Niti Aayog has launched a Women Entrepreneurship Platform, WEP, for providing an ecosystem for budding and existing women entrepreneurs across the country. CDB has partnered with Niti Aayog to assist in this initiative. As an enabling platform, WEP is built on 3 pillars. Okay, again in WEP we have 3 different, okay, pillars. One is Icha Shakti, one is Gnan Shakti, and one more is Karma Shakti. There are 3 different pillars on which this WEP is built. Icha Shakti represents motivating aspiring entrepreneurs to start their business. Icha Shakti represents motivating aspiring entrepreneurs to start their business. Yesterday we have seen Awake scheme. In Awake scheme, okay, they used to provide training, and they named each of the training with different names. So we have seen one was Entrepreneurship Development Program. Another was Entrepreneurship Skill Development Program. Likewise, we have seen Awake was giving training under different heads, under different names. So here also WEP has also got 3 different pillars. One is Icha Shakti, one more is Gnan Shakti, and the last one is Karma Shakti. Icha Shakti is similar to creating awareness, okay, creating awareness about the women entrepreneurship and educating them about what are the different government schemes that are available to, support women entrepreneurship. That is Icha Shakti. Icha Shakti represents motivating aspiring entrepreneurs to start their business. Okay. So Gnan Shakti represents providing knowledge and ecosystem support to women entrepreneurs to help them foster entrepreneurship. Okay, that is Gyan Shakti. Icha Shakti is just meeting some self-help groups, okay, and some women-led groups, okay, and creating awareness about entrepreneurship. So, how they can go for entrepreneurship and what will be the benefit, what are the different schemes that are available. Okay, so they will be educating regarding all these things during Icha Shakti program. Gnan Shakti represents providing knowledge and ecosystem support to women entrepreneurs to help them foster entrepreneurship. Okay. So Karma Shakti represents providing hands-on support to entrepreneurs in setting up and scaling up businesses. Okay, so hands-on support will be provided. Already you have a registered entity, you don't know like how to proceed further. So Karma Shakti will do that work for you under the Karma Shakti banner. Okay, WEP, Women Entrepreneurship Platform, will help you to take your idea to next level. They will help you to scale up your idea, scale up your business. These are the three different pillars: Icha Shakti, Jnana Shakti, and Karma Shakti. What are the benefits and highlights of this WEP, Women Entrepreneurship Platform? In addition to providing services such as free credit ratings, mentorship, funding support to women entrepreneurs, apprenticeship and corporate partnerships, WEP will encourage entrepreneurs to share their entrepreneurial journeys, stories, and experiences to nurture, mutual learning. They have created one platform. Each of the startup, can go and share your own entrepreneurial journeys. You can share your own stories. You can share your experiences there, and you can learn from the journeys and stories and experience of others also. So it's a platform created for mutual learning. WEP has created a platform for mutual learning, not only mentorship, funding, and apprenticeship, corporate partnership supports are provided. It also provides a platform for mutual learning. So what is the eligibility to apply under this WEP platform? What is the eligibility? Women entrepreneurs who are at ideation stage. You have some idea in the mind and you don't know how to take that idea to next level, and you don't know whom to approach, and you don't know what are the different fundings available for me, and you don't know my idea falls under which particular sector. So WEP is always there to help you people. So women entrepreneurs who are at ideation stage and have just started off with their startups or an established startup can register under this scheme to take the benefit. So you can fill online application form to apply. So I have given you can see the screen. Sorry, you can see the link on the screen where you have to go and apply online for this particular WEP program. Okay, friends, got knowledge about Women Entrepreneurship Platform? Yes or no? At least I should be able to hear some yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, friends. Thank you.
Yes.
So these are the different, schemes, major schemes. Lot of different schemes are available, friends. But it's not possible to cover all those schemes in 1 or 2 days. It will take months together, to complete all the schemes. But I tried to highlight, very important schemes and very famous schemes, and schemes that have reached, lot of people across India and across Karnataka. So I tried to highlight those schemes, friends. So with these slides, we are coming to the end of today's session. So if you have any queries, definitely I am available all the time for you people. We have our, K-Tech Innovation Hub, New Age Innovation Network Center set up in our PD Engineering College. So it is located in SAC building, Student Activity Center. So you can come and approach me at any time. So any help required, I am always open for that. So Uma Reor Madam will be sharing my contact details, my details with you, my mail ID and all with you people. So if you have any queries at any time, you can contact me, friends. Thank you. Thanks for giving me this opportunity, friends. Especially, I would like to thank entire staff of, Vijay Women's College and staff of, Department of Commerce and Management, VG Women's College. Okay. So I'd like to thank Dr. Mohan N. Patar sir, Dr. Shivraj G. Gonali sir, especially Srimati Uma Menijigi madam, and Principal sir, who is very close to me, and we used to discuss lot of, we used to plan such, activities to be done in your college. So Rajendra, Dr. Rajendra Konda sir also. I would like to thank all the students, all the participants, okay, who listened to me patiently in these 2 days. So at least I am happy that I'm able to educate you people. I'm able to give highlighting points about a few schemes, which are very famous in Karnataka and across India. So thank you, friends. Thank you once again. Thank you all.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sidram sir. So girls, if you have any doubts or anything to be asked, it's an open session. You can ask any questions if you have. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಸರ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳೋದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊರಿ. Anyone who has any doubts, he wants to ask any type of question to sir, Sidram sir, you can ask. Okay, so girls are just putting the message that thank you, it was very clear. So if they have any doubts, sir, they'll be contacting you later. Sidram sir, if you don't mind, please, if you stop your screen sharing, let's have a group photo. Sidram sir.
Ma'am, my camera is not working. There is problem with my camera.
Okay. Can you stop sharing the screen?
Because, yeah, I will stop it.
I request all the participants, whoever is there, if you just switch on your videos only, not audio. If you switch on your videos, video on madri, we'll have one very beautiful photo session. Sidram sir, if you had joined, it would be much better.
Yes, ma'am, I stopped my.
Okay.
So it's there is some problem, and Zoom is unable to detect the camera message. It is
no issues. Yeah. Guys, please on your video, let's have some photo session. Ellaru on madkori nim videos. I want all of you to on your videos now immediately. Everyone, all the participants, I'm asking all the students, please on your videos. Afreen Begum, I am unable to see you actually.
I'm on the video, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, some more girls, please join. Sidram sir, you have to please stop sharing your screen.
Yes, ma'am, I have stopped it.
No, it is still sharing. That's why I'm not getting all the girls over here.
No, I have stopped it.
Okay, I will remove you as co-host.
Yeah. Is it stopped, ma'am?
Yeah, stop it, but okay, yeah, got it. Yeah, I want all the girls, please. Yeah, very good. This will be shared in the university staff group, so all of you will get this screenshots. Okay, girls. Thank you. Thank you so much for joining this. So on behalf of principal sir, the staff of the college and students, I would like to thank all the staff members of the different various colleges who have interestingly participated in this session. And also I thank all the students of Akka Mahadevi Women's University, various colleges. Thank you so much, girls. Would like to see you in our further sessions also. Very active interaction with all of you. I really enjoyed. Hope you all also enjoyed. And not only that, all of you have gained a very good knowledge about the government schemes and roles of institutions in women entrepreneurship. So thank you so much. And I also would like to thank Sitram sir, sorry, Dr. Sandeep Kumar M sir. I think sir is from Gangavati College. Thank you so much, sir, for participating very actively. I would also like to thank the Raichur College Professor Dr. Suguna Madam and Dr. Siddhama Madam for joining this session and motivating us. Thank you very much. In your chat, I have shared the feedback link is shared in the chat box. Please fill up the feedback form very carefully. Enter your name and mobile number very correctly. There should not be any fault in that. If there is a small mistake also, you won't be able to get these certificates. The certificates will be sent to you within few days to your mail ID. Okay. So I thank one and all once again.
Ma'am, sorry for interrupting.
Yeah, no problem, sir.
Ma'am, I just wanted to hear feedback from at least 2 students. Just wanted to know.
Yeah, sure.
How was the session? Is it possible now, ma'am?
Yeah, surely it is possible. Yes, anyone. Pallavi, we will start with you. Pallavi Chauhan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, share your just a feedback.
Yes, ma'am. Sir, it was very nice, sir. We all got to know about all the schemes and roles of women entrepreneurship, and surely we would like to do some business, and we would like to use this knowledge in future. And I would like to thank you, sir, for giving us so much time. Ma'am said that you'll be doing social service and you're too busy, but you gave us time, and we are thankful for that, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Anybody else from other college? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಉಷಾ ರಾಣಿ, you spoke a lot, very nicely you spoke. And Akshata, anybody can say. Vandana Rathod. Yeah, sure, start.
Thank you so much, sir. It was presence of knowledge to us. Thank you, sir. We gain the knowledge.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, anybody else wants to share your views and opinions? ಯಾವುದೇ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಂತ ಏನಲ್ಲ, ಕನ್ನಡ ಒಳಗೂ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ವಂದನಾ, ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್? ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. Anybody else? Sandeep sir, any feedback from you, sir? Sir has left, I think. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ನಿಮ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay. Okay, sir. Okay, thank you so much, Sitram sir. Thank you so much. Anybody else? ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತೀರಾ?
Thank you so much, ma'am. Here we have studied about which institutions are developed in women entrepreneur in India.
Okay.
And we have learned so many things. We can apply this in our life also. Suppose we have started a women entrepreneur business, like any jobs, like we can apply that in our life. So I have learned so many things from sir. Thank you so much, sir, for this class.
Thank you, Chaitra. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, anybody else? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Okay, then shall we end this session? Okay, Sidram sir, thank you so much. Thank you so much for sharing your knowledge with our students. It was very helpful. Hope to see a very good Gulbarga in further days. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Hoping for the same year.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. All the participants, please fill up the feedback form. Only then you will be able to get the e-certificates, and the e-certificates will be sent to your mail IDs. Give your correct names in the caps lock, and the mail ID should be written very correctly. It's a very sensitive with caps lock, small letters and characters. When you are entering your email ID, be very careful as you're doing with your mobiles. So please fill up the, yeah.
Ma'am, college name shortcut or KSC ಅಂತಾನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್? ಫುಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
Full name ಕೊಟ್ರೆ better.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ we will log out. Thank you so much, girls. Thank you. It was very nice sharing your views and speaking to all of you. Hope to see you very soon further in the offline classes. Thank you very much. Bye, girls. Bye. ಹಾ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದೆ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು % ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾರಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಒಳಗ?
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಎದಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅವ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲಿ. ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತಾ? ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂ, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಕೀಮ್ಸ್ ಏನು, ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ತರ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಉಷಾರಾಣಿ?
ಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್.
ದಟ್ಸ್ ವಾಟ್. ನೀವು ಸಿಲೆಬಸ್ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಓದ್ತೀರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಓದ್ತೀರಿ. So that's why I organize this, so that you will gain some practical knowledge. Of course, esto jana idar utilization tagondare. If you want to do a business, search in the net, estakon schemes ava, adannu ನೀವು apply ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಬೆನಿಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ತಗೋತದೆ. It depends on how we take. ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡ ಮೇಲೆನೆ ನಾವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Isn't it? Yes, anybody else, any doubts you have?
Thank you.
So in Malind ene ottiri alla, practically think it very practically and read it. The new education policy is practical oriented. So that's why you have to be prepared to understand all the schemes, take the benefit of the schemes. Don't just go on blaming the government. Whatever it does, we have to first analyze what it is doing.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Usharani. It was a very active part from your side. Thank you very much. Sidra, you want to talk? Okay, girls, shall we log out? ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿರಿ?
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? when will?
Next class, you means next webinar on public speaking?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, just a moment. I'll share the link on your chat. I'll try to share that this one. Just a moment.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm unable to share that PDF. It's a secured file. So I will be sharing it to your WhatsApp numbers, or I'll send it to your emails. Okay. It's on 1st of July and 3rd of July I have. I'll be sharing with you all. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You can ask your concerned staff. I'll be sharing it in the all staff group of the university. So you can ask them and you can join. All of you are very welcome to join that. I'll just show you what it is. So all of you can see the screen now. This is what is the next webinar, what we are conducting. It's on public speaking and art by Shri Narendra Bhatsheshi. He's Narendra Bhatsheshi, sir. You can click on this to register this to join the WhatsApp group. I have created a group you can join, so that sharing the link will be very easier for me. It's on Thursday, 1st July at 11 a.m. Online platform is the same, Zoom. Okay, so this I'll be sharing it through WhatsApp or through your emails. I hope all of you join. All of you are welcome to join this. Okay, so thank you girls. Thank you so much. See you in the next webinar. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.